Hi, my name's Tammy, and today I'm going to make the popular New Orleans drink, Sazerac Cocktail. So to start this drink out, you need to do 1 sugar cube in your glass, 2 dashes of the Angostura bitters, and 3 dashes of the Pachad's bitters. Next, you're going to do 1 tablespoon of water, cold water. Then you're going to muddle those ingredients together. In another chill glass, you're going to do an absinthe wash. So you're just going to put a little bit of the absinthe in. You're going to spin it around, and then you're going to discard the remainder. Now, I'm going to take some ice cubes, put them in the glass that you've muddled the sugar cube in. We're going to do 1 1/4 shots of the cognac and 1 1/4 shots of a rye bourbon whiskey. You're going to add all the ice in there, make sure it's all in there good. Stir it around and put it into your chilled glass. And garnish with a lemon piece. That is the New Orleans Sazerac Cocktail. Oh, that's pretty good. I can see why these are so popular in New Orleans. Guys, you're probably wondering why I did a rinse of the absinthe instead of using like a shot or 1/4 of a shot. It's a very strong flavored alcohol. It has like a licorice root taste to it. And if you use too much, it's going to overpower the bourbon. So doing that rinse just gives it a really subtle hue of that nice licorice taste. I'm not a big licorice fan, but I really like the way it mixes with the bourbon. It tastes really good. This is a drink for bourbon drinkers. So if you like bourbon, this is the way to go. Thanks for watching.